We all know that coding, anything related to coding, let's say cybersecurity and other things, they are highly in demand right now. But if you don't know how to do code, or you don't even have interest in that, does it mean you can't be a freelancer or a successful remote worker? You can. So here are some of the freelancing skills you should consider and start learning right now. The first on my list is video editing. As a virtual assistant, I've worked with a lot of people that let me hire video editors for them. And almost, if you see how much they are paying, if you see how much they are paying for a minute video, you will be shocked. You can imagine someone who provides voiceover and the music. So, and he just needed 1 minute video edited, and they are charging as high as the cheapest I could get was $50. So that prompted me, and I had to make this video. So if you don't have any interest in coding, go to Fiverr, go to Upwork, and then search for video editors. You will see even those who do a mini documentary, most of them charge as high as $200 per a project. So go there, just give yourself, just have a feel of the environment and how much they charge, so that maybe that will motivate you. Then you can go online, go to either Udemy or go to Coursera and other platforms that you can learn these skills from. You can also search on YouTube here, and I'm telling you, you will not regret it. Also, you need to make some of the video as a sample. Once you do that and update it on your profile, be it on social media page or anywhere you put it, you will be shocked how you get your first order. In fact, the skill is something that you shouldn't even sleep on. This particular skill is my number one on the list. The second skill on my list is graphic design. Why people think that because of AI that people will reduce, most demand for graphic design will go down, that's a big lie. People are still demanding for graphic design. Personally, I still design graphics for people. As in, I have someone who I designed a couple of graphics for them for their social media, both for all their social media platform and their client social media platforms. And I charge them per a month package. And I'm not even the best, as in I'm not the greatest when it comes to graphic design, but with Canva, I can do it. So you can learn with Adobe and other this. There are so many other software you can learn and become professional at this. But people like us who have a basic skill of designing, well, the client think I'm good at what I do, but I think I'm not perfect. So Canva is helping me because the template is already there. It's just to change out a few things and make sure it tallies with the person's brand. See how much people are charging on Fiverr for this particular gig. Just take a look. Okay, go to Upwork now. See how much people are charging for graphic design. For some of them are doing social media content, social media graphic design. The third one on my list is SEO. These are experts who are specialized in website visibility. These people, they will make sure that, okay, for instance, let me say this YouTube video, they will optimize my YouTube video to the extent that any word you search, it will pop up. So these people, they focus on websites ranking. So if you are interested in this one, you will find a lot of content online to learn. There's nothing you cannot learn online right now, both by googling it or both by searching it on this YouTube. You can learn any skill you want. This search engine optimization is another skill that is hot cake. And what is even holding you back? Okay, go to Fiverr now, go to Upwork, just have a feel, just scroll around, you see how much people charge on Fiverr. These are the amount they charge, just the list of their packages. These are the prices. When you open it now, you will see a lot more how much they charge for a bigger package. You see. So now, if you go to Upwork, you will see, just look at how much they charge here too. So what is holding you back? Another one is social media management. This one, I do it personally, and I can tell you there's money in it. And if you don't even know what social media marketing or management is all about, I have a video on that called social media marketing for beginners. you just check it out. It's not a complete package, but at least it will help you as a beginner to know what social media is all about. So social media management and marketing, you can combine this together. And if you are expert in this, my dear, it doesn't matter where you live. People don't even care if you are from Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, or anywhere. They don't give a damn. They just need someone who can do a good job. So this social media marketing is something you should consider. Honestly, if you're already a type that spend time on Instagram, a lot of people love scrolling through Instagram a lot, and reels, all that. People even pay you to do that. Some will pay you to scroll, use some special hashtag to go through some videos and then leave a comment on them. So these are the things you can do. Social media management and marketing pays, and it's actually very hot. It's on demand right now. On Fiverr, I get message almost every day. People reach out. Some will require that you have a meeting with them to discuss a strategy. So this is something you should definitely consider. The fifth one is, well, virtual assistant. Well, it's a virtual assistant. It doesn't need introduction. A lot of people already know about it. And I'm not going to speak much on that because I already have a lot of video on that. Becoming a virtual assistant pays. I still do that. I combine that with social media management. And I never lack customers. I never lack clients. I get people that I work with, and even I'm always at a full capacity. And sometimes some people will even tell me, oh, when you have time, please let me know. When you're ready for a new client, let me know, because most times I'm not available and I'm not taking new clients. So once as you advance, and they will give you the flexibility, like now I'm at home alone. My kids have gone to school, husband to work, and I'm at home alone doing my job. It will give you peace of mind. You focus, freelancing gives you peace of mind though. You focus on your work, do your work at your own time. Maybe when you are done, you can go for swimming or whatever you like. You still spend time doing it. You are your own boss. So go to Fiverr. I personally charge $25 per hour as a virtual assistant. But you go to Fiverr, you see people. I started with $5 per hour. So you see people who started with $5 per hour. Some of them 20. Some charge as high as $40 per hour. You see, so it depends on your skills and the kind of clients you work with and your experience. So you should definitely consider virtual assistants. The fifth one is related to virtual assistants, is customer support. Customer support, a lot of virtual assistants do that. I do my own via email. But if you are free to receive calls as a customer support, you can do that. A lot of companies hire people both in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, wherever you are. They hire you and then give you a number where you can receive calls from customers. You receive calls from customers and then sort out their problems. Some of them, if they have any complaint, you follow them, you do everything they ask, they need, and then you solve their problem. Customer support is very good if you are the type that likes talking, and you pay attention to detail. You can offer a good customer service. So I know a guy in Nigeria. This is what he does. In the morning, the wife will leave for work, the children will leave for school. He's always at home. He has his own office. This is what he does, and he's living a good life. It's unfortunate that some people think he's into fraud because he is actually making it big. They think he's doing something illegal, but he's not. This guy is cashing out, and I can vouch for him because we work in the same platform. And sometimes I even refer clients to him because he is good at this. I don't make calls, but he is good at that. So if you are the type that loves customer service, you can do it. Maybe you even have experience, you've done it before, and you are comfortable and you love doing it. This gig is for you. You can watch a few more video, or take a few more free courses. You don't need to pay a dime. Don't fall for anything. You don't need to pay a dime. All the information you need are online. So consider it. The seventh one is copywriting. Why people think that a lot of people believe that since AI is already there, that the copywriters are no longer necessary, but that's the very wrong thought, because people are still working with copywriters. And if you are good with copywriting, you should be able to have knowledge of artificial intelligence, because this will help you expand your job. For instance, if they ask you to write a 1,000 words article, you can always generate it. You give a good prompt to ChatGPT, generate it, then you sit down and humanize it, make it human. Make sure there is no the ChatGPT dictatable something, words on it. Make it sound as human as possible, and then maybe you optimize it. You search engine optimize it. This gig pays. So, for instance, on Fiverr here are some of the amount they charge per gig. This person, you see the amount this person charge. So it depends, this person too, you see. So it depends on their experience and sometimes where they live as well. So that's another thing to consider. If you're already a good writer, then this one should be a breeze. So everything I've mentioned, from the first one to the last one, you can learn everything, every single one of them online. You don't need to pay. All you need is to dedicate your time. You can decide to try out a skill every weekend. Maybe you have a full-time job. Maybe on Saturdays when you are relaxing, you can use your phone and just learn, just to learn and see, watch the videos, see some things and know how, read about these things and know which one will be suitable for you. You don't have to, just watch video on video editing and just conclude. You can watch video about video editing, watch about search engine optimization, watch about social media management, watch a few and then decide, no, this particular one is for me. So don't sleep on these things I just mentioned. Oh, country is hard, inflation, everything is rising. So if everybody need extra income. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more ways to earn money. Thank you for watching.